Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my 8-ounce bamboo and glass jars. I purchased these jars because I was tired of opening my spice jar into chaos. I wanted a very uniformed, organized look whenever I went to add spices to my food. So I have been in love with these containers. I love that they have this 8-ounce capacity, which allows me to put quite a bit of spices into each container. And I love that it is made of glass and bamboo, so I don't have to worry about the effect that plastic could have on my food, the taste of my spices, and the quality of my spices, or this discoloration that could happen with plastic. I love that each individual container comes with a spoon, so I don't have to worry about cross-contamination. These are super stylish and it makes my drawer look very organized. And that's my point of view.